Looking for the best window installation services in Washington, D.C.? Our expert window contractors in Washington, D.C. provide top-notch window installation, ensuring your home is equipped with energy-efficient windows. Whether you need vinyl window installation Washington, D.C. or double-hung residential window replacement Washington, D.C., our team is ready to assist. Energy-efficient window replacement. Washington, D.C. is essential for reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Our Washington, D.C. window installation experts specialize in installing energy-efficient windows that help maintain optimal indoor temperatures. With our window installation Washington, D.C. services, you can enjoy a more comfortable home environment year-round. For those seeking custom window solutions, Washington, D.C., our window design services Washington, D.C. offer a wide range of window styles to suit any home. From traditional to modern, our custom windows are tailored to meet your specific needs. Our window consultation Washington, D.C. ensures you get the perfect fit for your home. Window replacement is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our Washington, D.C. window replacement experts provide comprehensive window frame replacement Washington, D.C. and window glass replacement services. Whether it's a minor window ceiling Washington, D.C. issue or a major window renovation, we have the skills to restore your windows to their original condition. Affordable residential window replacement. Washington, D.C. is within reach with our competitive window replacement cost. Washington, D.C. We offer the best window replacement Washington, D.C. services without compromising on quality. Our window warranty Washington, D.C. guarantees peace of mind with every installation. Window maintenance. Washington, D.C. is key to prolonging the life of your windows. Our window maintenance services include regular inspections and necessary replacements to keep your windows in top condition. With our window upgrade services Washington, D.C., you can enhance the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our window fitting Washington, D.C. services ensure a perfect installation every time. Accurate window measurement Washington, D.C. is critical for a seamless fit, and our team excels in precise measurements and installations. Trust our window installation experts Washington, D.C. for flawless results. Window hardware. Washington, D.C. is an important aspect of window functionality. We offer a variety of window hardware options to complement your window styles Washington, D.C. From handles to locks, our selection ensures your windows are both secure and stylish. For those in need of window glazing, our window glazing services provide an extra layer of insulation and protection. Our window solutions Washington, D.C. are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits. Choose our residential window replacement Washington, D.C. for a comprehensive approach to window renovation. Our Washington, D.C. window glass replacement services address any issues with broken or damaged glass, ensuring your windows are safe and functional. Our Washington, D.C. window installation services cover all aspects of window care, from installation to replacement and maintenance. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient window replacement Washington, D.C. or custom window solutions, our team is here to help. Contact us today for the best window solutions in Washington, D.C.